Okay, I've removed my jewelry and gathered my equipment. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Got that out of the way. Today I will be staining my samples from patient. These are throat cultures. Just gonna place these in the sink with the frosted side up. I'm gonna add the violet crystal solution first. And that will stay on for a minute. Okay, I guess that's good. A minute. There we go. Oops, my face mask became undone. Now we'll just wait. Kind of move it around. If it's too concentrated in one area. There we go. "28 seconds left. I'll need to start turning this on. So this minute's going to be up soon. And now I have to rinse these. Yeah, the solution doesn't really stay in the sink. Okay, we've got most out of the solution out. Put these back here, put the frosted side up, and we're going to use the iodine solution. For this, you need a pipette. And we're going to leave this on for about a minute as well. Moving it just so it disperses more. You don't want it too concentrated on one area.
Yeah, your fingers will get.
A minute is up. I'm going to have to rinse these now. That's good. Place these again. Always keep the frosted side up. And for this next segment, we're going to use alcohol solution, which will go on for no more than 10 seconds. For this, you don't need a timer. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Always make sure the frosted side is up. Okay. Now for the last one, we're going to add the safranine solution. And This only goes on for a minute as well. I have to start getting these ready now. Since my camera is up. Rinsing. Placing them on my sterile area with the blotter on. Kind of cleaning the last remaining stains just so it doesn't permanently damage the sink. Got most of that out of the way. Now I'll just dry my hands a little bit. Just want to blot these slides, pat them dry. Just to make sure, do a good job. Yeah. Hold on. Slides are taken out, placed in another sterile blotting. They're closed. And these are sent to the microscope, and that's it.